If you have an existing iPad or a tablet, would like a Spotify car thing, yep, that is a thing, and this is much better and cheaper, trust me, and adores the built-in Tesla tablet, then stick around as I'm going to share to you a little trick that we do and we think it is the best DIY car entertainment. A few years ago, we rented out a van during a business trip and we fell in love with how spacious it is. So we decided to sell our old car and bought a Hyundai i800. For us in our lifestyle, this is just the perfect car. If you have a tablet or an iPad, and depending on your car, if there is a suitable space on your dashboard, then you may want to try this too. We have looked at different types of tablet card holder and we have decided that these magnetic ones are the best option for us. We have actually been using this setup for over a year now and we love it. This is where my husband places his iPad and it's perfect for Waze and Apple Maps, making it so much easier and more fun for him to drive for us. His iPad is also connected to the stereo in our car, so managing the music for our journey is much easier. Installation is pretty simple. You just basically stick these magnetic strips at the back of your iPad. These ones are the same thing as they to have a sticky side that you just literally apply on your dashboard. Make sure that the surface is nice and clean before doing so. You can opt to choose to attach these magnetic strips in a case like this instead of the actual iPad if that is something that you prefer. My husband doesn't like to have too many cases and he is not bothered by these on his iPad. They are also quite thin and it is not an issue if he'd like to put a case on or even when he is using his Magic Keyboard. As mentioned, we have been using this for over a year. It is nice and strong and sturdy and we've never had any issues or a scare of our iPad falling over. It is so nice to have all of the comforts and features of your own iPad. If we are stopped at a garage, my husband can check his notifications if he'd like to. I'd sometimes check the news or even watch a YouTube video or catch up on some series. I also have a setup on my side. This is my old iPad which my son now uses, and sometimes I still use it for long journeys. This reminds me of flying when you have that great big screen in front of you on the airplane. Little things like this makes your car journey a lot more fun. We love ours and I will put a link on this iPad card holder for you on the description box so you can check it out if you like. Let me know if this is something that you'd like to try or you are already driving a Tesla anyways, so you don't really need it. Thanks for watching and I will see you on my next video. Bye!